Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the game-changing CERAKOTE ceramic trim coat kit. If you're tired of constantly reapplying greasy plastic trim restorers that just wash off after a few days, then this is the product for you. Let's start with the fact that this is not your typical temporary dressing, it's a ceramic coating that will last over 200 washes. Yes, you heard me right, 200 washes. This means no more constantly reapplying and wasting time and money on products that just don't last. The CERAKOTE ceramic trim coat kit is designed to restore and protect your plastic trim for 2 years, guaranteed. That's right, a 2-year guarantee on a product that actually does what it says. No more gimmicks, no fine print, just a ceramic coating that will cure to your vehicle's plastic and give it years of protection while looking amazing. And the best part? No more greasy mess. The kit comes with a pair of gloves and 10 individually packaged, pre-moistened wipes, making application a breeze. No more spraying or greasing up rags, just open a pack and start wiping. So, why should you trust CERAKOTE? Well, they are regarded as the world's leading innovator and manufacturer of true inorganic ceramic polymer technology. These ceramic polymers and coatings are trusted by some of the most advanced aerospace, automotive, and technology companies in the world. So, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to temporary greasy dressings and hello to long-lasting ceramic coating with the CERAKOTE ceramic trim coat kit. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on this game-changing product. Trust me, you won't regret it.